Your Shopify store just gained a new sales channel. Most sellers don't know yet. One new channel, zero extra work. On July 22, 2026, DoorDash announced a direct integration with Shopify through its App Store. US Shopify merchants with a physical storefront can list their catalog on DoorDash by enabling one new channel. No separate onboarding, no manual catalog uploads, no disruption to how the store already runs. Shopify stays the source of truth. Merchants manage their entire catalog inside Shopify, the way they already do. That catalog reflects on DoorDash in real time. No duplicate entry, no separate inventory system. This is built specifically for brick-and-mortar-plus-online sellers, not pure online-only stores. This isn't for every seller. The integration requires an existing physical storefront. Online-only Shopify stores aren't the target here. It's aimed at local delivery and same-day fulfillment, not national shipping. If your business model doesn't involve a physical location, this specific integration won't apply to you yet. Check if you qualify before you skip it. If you run a Shopify store with a physical location, check the DoorDash app in Shopify's App Store directly. Enabling the channel doesn't commit you to anything. It's a new listing surface, not a platform migration. Even a small local delivery channel can be free incremental revenue if your catalog's already built.